The community. I've really loved, reaching out to all these different groups and organisations and, local communities and things like that. They're all super tight and they're all super friendly and engaging, and because it's such a small place, it's not hard to do that, and you can easily find, groups that, you can get in touch with and that resonate with the things that you're interested in. So.
Thing would be that I got this little muffin.
It's only 2 traffic lights.
There's a lot of opportunities to do things that I wouldn't do if I was at a bigger university and in a bigger town.
I really like the refugee population here and being involved in their settlement, and it was just, I wasn't expecting there to be such a refugee presence in a small town, but it's been cool to see how the town has been working with them.
So community, getting to know people and seeing them around town and just having chats with people is really cool. Yeah.
Amazing.
I'll probably go with pretty. Chilly.
Rural.
We'd probably say community.
I think approachable would be the word that I would use.
Unique.
Oh, absolutely. I didn't really think of considering even working rurally at all. I came from a city, basically, and I didn't even think it was going to be an option. But now that I'm here, it's definitely much more on my radar, and I'm even considering looking more into it as I go forward with my degree.
Yeah, I think so. It's made it a lot less scary. Before coming here, I was sort of like, that's just a whole other world. I'm so far away from everything that I know, but, you just build community and support wherever you go, and I think that, it's made it a lot easier to work here.
Yes and no. I already kind of knew that I'd possibly want to go down some rural pathways, but it's definitely just reinforced that I really enjoy working in small communities, so things like that.
Definitely. I think myself and a lot of us, without spending the time we have in Armidale, we wouldn't have thought about some of the issues that you definitely see in rural communities. We wouldn't have been exposed to some of them, and we definitely wouldn't be thinking about what our role as future doctors is to work on some of those issues. So, yeah.
It definitely has, and I think mainly because there's not really that palpable difference between, living rurally and living in a city. You don't constantly notice.
Definitely has. Coming from a city, I think you view your rural training as just something you have to do in order to get your degree. But being here and the rural training that I've had, particularly in rural placements, when you get so much hands-on experience and so much time to sit and talk with people that are part of your community, it makes you appreciate it so much more. And being rural, you really start to understand the challenges that they face in the health field, particularly in terms of accessibility to things like specialist services, even things like imaging. So it really makes you appreciate those issues more and want to do something about it when you're able to go out into the workforce. So it definitely has shaped my opinion on working rurally.